First, download the photo from the video description and open it in Photoshop. And then click and hold here and select the Magic Wand tool. Then click here for Add to Selection. And make sure that the tolerance is set to 32 from here. Then click on an empty space in the background and click in the other areas to add them to the selection. Let's zoom in, hold the Alt key and use the mouse scroller to zoom in and out. Then release the Alt key and click here to add this little area. Ctrl+0 to fit the view to screen. Now click here to add a layer mask to the layer and go to Image, Adjustments, Invert. Now hold the Control key on your keyboard and click right here at the bottom of the Layers panel to create a layer below the first layer. Now go to Edit, Fill, and for the contents choose white and click OK. Now select the crop tool and click and drag like this to expand the background. Let's expand it a little bit more like this. Then either double click and click here to commit the crop. You can again go to Edit, Fill, and fill with white. Now select the layer with the woman and double click to rename it to woman. And hit enter. Now Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer and right click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. Then right click again and choose Rasterized Layer. Now go to Filter and choose Liquify. Now select the Forward Warp tool and click and drag like this and like this. Set the size to what you see here, somewhere around 1170. For the pressure, choose 100. The density is set to 50. Click and drag a little bit from the watch and a little bit from the hand, like this and like this. Let's change the brush size using the left square bracket key, right square bracket to increase the brush size, left square bracket to make it smaller. And now click and drag while making some waves from here to give it this effect. So something similar to this. And increase the size again and drag this area a little bit more like this, or you can just drag it all the way to the end. So something like this, a bit more here, and click OK. Now hold the Alt key on your keyboard and click here to hide it, the effect. Let's select the Move tool, then go to File, Open, and navigate to your Images folder and select the smoke. Click Open. Now go to Image Adjustments and no, go to Image Rotation. So go to Image Rotation and choose 90 degrees clockwise. Then go to Image Adjustments and choose Invert to invert the colors of the image. Then go to Edit, Define Brush Preset, and let's rename it to My Smoke or to anything you like. Click OK. And now your brush is automatically selected. Let's close this document. Click No. Then hit X on your keyboard to swap the foreground and background colors. So make sure that the foreground color right here is set to white. Make sure that the layer mask is selected of the layer mask of the top layer right here. Now you can increase the brush size a little bit to something like 2600 and just click somewhere here, and now the smoke effect starts to appear. Let's increase the brush size even more, something like 3000 and something, and let's click again somewhere around here like this. Now Ctrl plus J to duplicate the layer and make the effect more visible. And let's add a hue saturation layer. So click here and choose hue saturation. And from the preset, choose increase saturation. Let's close this window. And again from here, choose selective color. Pick blacks from here. And let's increase the blacks a little bit. Then let's pick science. And let's decrease them a little bit to -48. Then let's close this. And let's finally create a new layer at the top. Go to image, apply image to create a merged copy of all the layers. Then click OK. And go to filter, other, and choose high pass. Adjust the radius to, let's say, 5 pixels. Hit OK. And change the blending mode to hard light. Now this gives some extra detail. This is before and after. And I think I'll add one more hue saturation layer at the top and increase the saturation even more to something like 23. So this is the final effect. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like the video and to subscribe to Damien Photoshop. Thank you.